Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to add books to your list on Kindle. This is a great way to keep track of books you want to read or purchase later. So let's get started on how to add books to your list on Kindle. First, open the Kindle app on your device. On the home page, browse and locate the book you want to add to your list. Once you have found the book, tap on it to open its details page. You will see the Add to List option. Tap on it. You can now either create a new list or select an existing list where you want to add the book. Finally, tap on the Add to List button from the bottom right corner to save your book to your list. And this is how you can add books to your list on Kindle. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.